This is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research here at FXPRIMUS, bringing you my North American opening market comment for June 17th. The pound was climbing as both sides in the Brexit campaign suspended their events for the second day. Following this follows the murder of a Labour politician who was campaigning for the Remain side. Apparently, some market participants think that this timeout may dent the momentum of the Leave campaign, which was starting to pull ahead in the polls. The change in sentiment about Brexit led to a bit of a risk-on environment, which encouraged buying of some commodities and emerging market currencies. Oil was up, and with it the oil-sensitive currencies, such as the Russian ruble and Canadian dollar. As for this afternoon's indicators, the U.S. housing starts and building permits lead off the housing market data for May. Starts are expected to have declined somewhat, but the more forward-looking building permits are expected to have risen. That would be in line with the increase yesterday in the National Association of Home Builders Housing Market Index, which actually was for June. Net, these two may be a wash for the dollar, though. In Canada, the headline CPI for May is forecast to remain the same on a year-on-year basis, while core inflation is expected to have slowed a bit. But with inflation at around the Bank of Canada's target level, it's not the main policy concern in Canada right now. Growth is. Accordingly, I would doubt whether this figure will have much lasting impact on the currency. There was a 30-pip move last month on the announcement, although it's hard for me to understand why dollar-CAD would have risen when core inflation was actually higher than expected. This is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research at FXPRIMUS. Get more market insights on our education pages and turn your trading ideas into action with FXPRIMUS, the safest place to trade.